For center number 3, you're going to be previewing some vocabulary for the novel that we're going to be reading in the upcoming week or two. We're going to start reading The Giver. So you're going to be doing some vocabulary work to prepare for that. So at your center, you're going to have a handout that you need to take that's required. And then there's another one that is labeled as a challenge, as a word sort. Okay, so the first thing you'll need to get is a page that has all of the definitions already on it. It has a sentence from the book, it has the word, the part of speech, some uses of the word in different parts of speech. For example, here is apprehensive as an adjective, and here is apprehensively as an adverb. And then I give you a definition from Google. Okay, so on your handout, scroll up here, you're going to start with this part 1 activity, looking at the word. You need to come up with, looking at the definition I gave you, I want you to shorten the definition into something that's a little easier for you to remember or relate to. And it can be 3 words or fewer. You could use a synonym or 2, or you could just pick the 2 or 3 words from that definition that really makes it easy for you to remember what apprehensive means. After that, you're going to create a little doodle in this box. On the back of this page is your second activity, and it's looking at using the words in context a little bit. So for example, for apprehensive, I ask you to give me an example of a situation when you might feel apprehensive. Petulant. When was a time when you were acting petulantly? So you'll see that I'm going to try to use the words in the different forms so that you understand that they can be used in different ways. This is the required activity. If you don't finish it, it is homework. Part 3 is if you finish early. This is a good challenge activity, making sure that you understand how your words work. You have words that you can cut out at the bottom, and you're going to try to create 3 to 4 categories that fit your words together. And I'm not going to give you too much guidance on this, but thinking about how the meanings are, the situations you use them in, how could you group these words together? And this is a good thing to use your group mates for. Talk together, argue it out a little bit, and just give it a try. So I'm going to go through your words very quickly. Apprehensive, petulant, nurture, disposition, chastise, meticulous, exasperation, capacity, obsolete, aptitude, solemn, and dwell. Okay? If you should finish early, your time should be spent working on your album.